Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Following the conclusion of the forensic audit for the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC), President Muhammadu Buhari, as earlier promised last year, appointed a governing board for the NDDC. The board, which is peopled by accomplished technocrats, politicians and professionals from different walks of life, was inaugurated by the Honorable Minister for Niger Delta Affairs, Umana Okun-Umana, on the 4th of January 2023 in Abuja. Serving on the board are 3 management staff, the managing director and 2 executive directors. Occupying the very critical position of the executive director of finance and administration of the NDDC is a retired Army Major General, an accounting guru and financial expert, Charles Airhiavbere. Our next report is a profile of the man who has the Herculean task of not only managing the Commission's finances, but coordinating the day-to-day running of the Commission.
The new governing board of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) has a member who combines a Spartan outlook on life with an unrivaled sense of dedication to duty in service to the nation. He is Major General Charles Airhiavbere, retired, the current executive director in charge of finance and administration at the NDDC. Born on the 11th of October 1954 at Ekiadolo, Ovia Northeast Local Government Area of Edo State, retired Major General Airhiavbere had his primary education in several Nigerian cities, including Benin, Ibadan, Lagos, and Zaria. In 1968, he was admitted into Egosa Grammar School, Benin City. He later sat for the competitive entry examination into the Nigerian Military School Zaria and was admitted into the institution in 1969. On completion of his studies, retired Major General Airhiavbere proceeded to Auchi Polytechnic and graduated with an upper credit in accountancy in 1980. In 1987, he bagged a master's degree in business administration with specialization in finance from the University of Ibadan. Armed with impressive credentials, he enrolled in the Nigerian Defense Academy (NDA), where he won the Best All-Round Cadet Award in the Direct Short Service Course 7. The born Edo retired Army General was commissioned as a lieutenant in June 1980 and posted to the Nigerian Army Finance Corps. During his flourishing military career, retired Major General Airhiavbere held the following positions: Staff Officer in the Nigerian Army Headquarters and Command Finance Office, Apapa, at various times; Division Cashier 1 and 2 Mechanized Divisions of the Nigerian Army at various times; Deputy Defense Attaché, Washington, D.C., USA, and Director of Finance at the NDA. He also served as Commandant and Director of Studies at the Nigerian Army School of Finance and Administration, as well as Commander at the Command Finance Office. In 2011, retired Major General Airhiavbere voluntarily resigned from service. At various stages in his career, retired Major General Airhiavbere bagged several awards for his brilliance and unwavering commitment to national service. He had spent the better part of his military career managing the finances of the Nigerian Army. The 2-star general, a worthy ambassador of the Nigerian Army, is an alumnus of the Manchester Business School in the United Kingdom and the National Institute for Policy and Strategy Studies, Kuru, Jos. He is a member of the Nigerian Institute of Management and the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Nigeria. A member of the National Institute, he is a Nigerian patriot who, out of his own volition, elected to put life on the line in defense of his fatherland. With his training, he is imbued with the attributes of hard work, competence, and service delivery, all of which serve the best interests of the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari in its quest to reinvent the NDDC and transform the Niger Delta region in the shortest time possible. Retired Major General Airhiavbere is a devout Christian, committed family man, politician and statesman. He brings the deep wells of resources dwelling inside of him to bear on the effective and efficient management of finance and administration of the NDDC.
Inside the Niger Delta,